I'm out here at Little Baja. I'm with Jared. Jared, we always think of Little Baja as pottery and statuary, but pinatas?
Right, good question. We get calls all the time wondering, you guys sell pinatas?
Yeah. So how did you get into pinatas?
Yeah, 30-something years ago, we were looking for a way to kind of fill all the space on the trailer. You could quickly exceed the weight limit with just pottery.
Right.
So when we'd bring pottery up from Mexico, we'd make a point to fill the last 2 feet of the truck complete with pinatas, kind of help the family down there and wholesale them all around the Northwest.
Right, and you guys don't typically deal with like big factories, so.
No, yeah, small family, artisan made, authentic, this is a real thing.
Right, and you have, a whole room.
Yeah.
What, Mr. Pinatas you're working with, right?
Exactly. Always new choices coming in all the time.
Right, and the themes, you can do pretty much anything.
Yeah. Great for any occasion and any age.
Right. So we're outdoors entertaining this time of year, which is great. And you had little suggestions for how to use the pinatas.
Yeah,
right?
certainly. 3 pounds of goodies is the right amount of filling. You want it to be supported by the metal wire that it hangs from, not get too heavy. And we recommend a plastic bat to break it open.
And why a plastic bat?
Well, there's way too many videos online of people getting whacked with a broomstick or something. So we'll save that for the internet and just take a whack with a plastic bat instead.
So if you're looking for a pinata, make sure you walk on down here to Little Baja and check out their pinata selection. So Jared, it's great to be down here. We'll come and get our pots or pottery or statuary and pick up a pinata or two while we're down here.
Right on.